Hey, welcome back everyone. It is time for another red hot cover call video. Well, hey, look, I'm back behind the mic, fired up because we're going to talk about one of my son's cash secure put trade. My son is using the stock market to generate cash flow, helping him pay for his entire rent in the city of San Francisco. My son is 24 years old. He's using the stock market, selling premium, generating cash flow. And yes, he does pay the tax man first, and then he uses the proceeds from selling cash secure puts to help pay for his rent. I'll tell you what, at the end of the day, it is financial freedom when you can use the stock market to help pay for the bills, live the good life. You know, if you needed cash flow in retirement, like most people will, cash flow is the lifeblood of retirement. You're not going to have a retirement if you don't have cash flow. So learning the stock market, but more importantly, learning about how to sell premium, writing covered calls and selling cash secure puts bring in cash flow. Cash flow for which beats the overall stock market if you do it right. You have to learn it. And once you learn it, you will absolutely understand why many people are selling premium and they're using indexes in sectors like I am. Of course, that's what I taught him, and that's what he does. We're going to talk about his trade right here. Oh, by the way, sorry I talked so much. Apparently, I'm a clown now. I had somebody in the comments of my last video say, get to the point, clown. I love being called a clown because I always thought clowns, they worked for minimum wage. They barely made much money. Man, I must be that elite clown for which I am making $82,000 in the month of July. How about $122,000 in the month of June? How about $114,000 in the month of May? Oh, and that's $620,000 so far in 2026. But I'm the clown. I am absolutely killing it where I've been called a clown and my trading is too basic. I actually love that. It jacks me up to come back to the desk every single day as a professional stock trader and be able to do what I do. Let me show you some of my trades. This is fun. I'll tell you what, I've been doing this for 10 years, coming back to the channel every single week, trying to show you timely and relevant trades so it ups your game. That's it. I talk a little bit, but we talk about things relevant to me in the stock market, me in retirement, my kids' accounts. We talk about being successful in the stock market. But apparently I talk too much and I'm a clown, and this is too basic. How about this? Is this too basic for you? This is my current trading desk. All of these right here are potential profits for these trades. Do notice that's August 21st. We have a ton of trades expiring this Friday. Take a look at that. Boy, those basic paychecks. Man, I love being a clown and doing everything basic. Let's take a look at this trade my son just did. Now, in the description below is a 1 free month offer. If you want to be a part of my membership and see all these trades, you need to be a member. Now, I'm being a little sarcastic earlier. If this is the first time you've ever visited me here at the channel, I show you my trades, we talk about them. And yes, I do talk. I talk about the life of trading, my life in retirement. And I just try to share some of my wisdom and experience. And if you cannot stand that, then you got to go away. Calling me a clown just makes you look silly, because everybody that has been here for 10 years know that what we do here is successful over time. So that's all I do. I show you my trades, we talk about it, and you have to hear me talk a little bit. So I hope I haven't hurt your ears today. A lot of you out there might have soft ears that are going to call me a clown. And look, I don't take offense to that anymore. I haven't had a comment like that in a long time, but it really is amazing when a YouTuber puts up free content, going to share their ideas, and your first comment is, get to the point, clown. Do you not know how to use the scroll button? Do you not know how to fast forward a video? I mean, really? Oh boy, I'll tell you, this is This is fun. Okay, let's take a look at this. We're going to look at this cash secure put trade. I've talked way too long, and I'm sure already somebody's real close to clicking the clown button. And hey, look, if you like anything here today, subscribe to the channel and bang that like button. All right, let's get to it. Here's the cash secure put my son did. Now, this is going to happen today. We have 16 days to let this percolate. Now, you already know what the TQs is doing. It's getting wrecked. So, this has the advantage of time because it's an index. It's the TQs. It's going to come back. So, this will pass. So, we're going to let this go for about 2 weeks. And you can see the TQs is breaking every bit of support. And I'll tell you, at 57, the NASDAQ is down 11%. We're in correction territory. So how much further can we go? I mean, of course we can go further, but right now with this market where there's a lot of green, there's a lot of green buying in this market. Let's take a look at some of these things. Google's up, Microsoft's up, Amazon is fractional, Apple's at all-time highs. Today is a bad day. The Dow's already down 1,100. NASDAQ's going to be down 500. It is a bad day. What we're going to find is that with the Fed not acting on interest rates, this too will pass. So let's take a look at where this trade will have us come 14 days from now. This is August 14th. So that's what he did. He went ahead figuring that 57 on the NASDAQ was the bottom. That would be 11% down on the NASDAQ. We picked the 55 strike. So we get a little bit of downside protection here. This is going to be the 55 strike. It's going to expire August 14th. And he's going to make $1,603 in premium. So what's he going to make? He's going to make about 3.85% cash on cash. He did 7 contracts. This is just one of those trades where we're looking to make 1.2 to 1.3% weekly. So when you take 2 weeks and divide 3.85%, that's going to be a decent trade. That's going to be right around 1.6%. We're going to take that. And what we're going to do is hope that the NASDAQ will, in fact, belly up and then start to move higher. Look at this. This actually closed at the bottom of the day. And looking at the chart, I'll tell you, take a look at the chart. That's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. It ends basically where the last resistance was. Take a look at that. That's incredible. See the resistance right here? This is the resistance the NASDAQ is trying to break back here late year. It's trying. It doesn't do it, falls all the way down. And when it breaks through here, it's seeing if that's real. It's seeing if it's real. And then it's off to the races. And take a look at this. It falls right back to support. This is where you want to plant your flag if you're my son. And that's what he did. And he's going to go for it right there. Now, he has 2 weeks for this to play out. Now it's trading outside of the Keltner channel bottom. This being the trend line, right? This being the trend line, with it now trading outside, you can look for this to possibly move back to the trend line. All we want to do is stay above 55, and this trade ends clean and green. There's the trade right there. This is what I do for the members. I do trades for my kids. Then I show them to the members. This is a trade my youngest son did today. Now, this is one of these trades where it's using an index. We had a favorable entry, even though the market is very volatile and we're not really sure where it's going. This is probably one of the most favorable positions you can get into right now without having a crystal ball. That is another great thing. And then finally, we're going to give ourselves even more downside protection to the 55 strike. The NASDAQ has not traded in this range since all the way back in April. That means all that fluff, all those bag holders, they're feeling the pain. So 55 is the strike, and that is where we're hoping this bad boy does not go. I will say this. If my son is assigned shares at 55, that means It's fallen considerable. Do you know if he's assigned the shares at 55 and did an at the money 55 2-week trade, right? This is a 2-week trade. He would do another 2-week trade. The next trade would be a covered call at the 55 strike. He would make $4.70. I'll tell you what does that equal? That would actually equal 700 times $4.70. That would be $1,600 for this trade, $3,200 for the next trade. Let's go ahead and add this premium, which is basically this. That would mean $5,000 in 1 month, 11.6%. Those are the trades we're doing at the membership. I want you to be a part of it. In the description below, get your 1 free month offer. Would love to welcome you aboard, and you will see this trade and you'll see how we manage it as well, because we're going to manage this trade. Quite frankly, you get to see all of my trades. Take a look at this real quick. These are all my trades. You saw all my active, very basic trades. Tell you what, we have some incredible weeks to come. I want you to be a part of it. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.